everyone, my name is D Jobs, the baddest manager. We are right here in Kerr at Lobo Apartments, where everything that you need is inside. I call it state-of-the-art amenities, full package apartment. We got restaurant right here. So I will take you through. Be with me and be alive. This is an exclusive apartment tour in Kerr right in the Gambia, right? Don't go away. So once you enter, the first point is the security point right here, right? Everything is set up with surveillance cameras everywhere, right? So your security is very important. We have the reception right here, right? Very clean, the receptionist. And then first thing that strikes you is beautiful smiles. You see the surveillance camera? Whoa, very clear. Very clear. So nothing will go wrong right here. No burglary, nothing. You are safe when you are in Lobo Apartments, right? In Kerr. So we'll go inside, right? It is also a facility where every room have a balcony. Do you know what that means? It's for you to feel the natural breeze of the environment, right? So we are at first floor, right? And this is a 3-deck apartment. So first floor, you see how it is, very, very, very large, right? You can have a nice here, great corridor. The rooms are right there, right? I will take you through. Whoa! Yes, we don't have any guests right here. Whoa! You see the rooms? Beautiful, nice sofa. Whoa, so comfortable. So you see the balcony right here? Oh my God, you can definitely feel the breeze of the air, so natural. Yeah, I told you before, every room has a balcony in Lobo Apartment. Now you can feel the breeze of the air, right? And enjoy the moment. Whoa. Yeah, come, let me show you the clean toilets. So the main parlor facilities, you see? That's how it is. Like I said, the sofa nice, right? You see the TV stand right there, you see the seats, and then this is a part where you have the cleanest toilets, right? You see the toilets? Very, very nice. Whoa! No water shortage. Everything is here, you know? You will not be at Lobo Apartment and feel there is no water. Electricity, very reliable, right? Everything is beautiful right here, right? So, whoa! And then, yeah, that's our restaurant menu. I'll take you right there. Whoa! Everything beautiful. Yes, beautiful right here. The parlor is so nice. I will also take you to the kitchen, right? And you will see what is right here, right? And you can see the utensils right here. So you have everything here. Oh my God, right? Come with me to the kitchen. Whoa, you see this? You got your microwave right here. Look at the fridge over there. You know, anything that you need. Wow, nice. You can place your mugs right here. Everything is clean on the side. You got the sink right here in the kitchen. You don't have anything to worry about. And this is where you can place your plates and everything. Right? Properness. Right. So you see the refrigerator? Oh my God, it's beautiful. Right? If you put your stuff right here, within a sec, everything will be cold. The dining table. Now you see how the plates have been positioned? Oh, the cutlery. Oh, all these things that we have here, very clean, right? So you can cook right there, serve yourself. Nice. And I love this set. The decor is beautiful. You see all these things though? It will restore your lost glory. Once you have your sight on this, you'll be fine. And I love these small flower vases right here. Beautiful decor. I love that. Look at the lights, right? And you will never be bored, though. Don't worry, we got Vestel AC right here, inverter, proper one, very standard. Yeah. Okay, this is double bedroom, right? Yeah. So this is double bedroom room, right? So this is the first bedroom, and every bedroom have a toilet of its own. Wow, whoa, I love this. Spongy. Look at the toilet right here. So you don't need to be bothered, right? And then we got the drawer right here where you can put your things though. See, we put your hangers and everything. Very clean, everything proper. Yo, and this is the master bedroom, the second bedroom right here, and it is so mighty and beautiful. Look at this. another spongy bed right here, and you have your mirror where you can look at yourself once you are dressed up. We have a drawer right there. Everything is beautiful. See the clean towels right here. You don't have to worry about anything. We also have a clean toilet right here. See the sink. I love this. Oh my God, love the golden sink. Whoa. Wow, you see this extension? Nice. So we got master bedroom for you right here, right? That's the second bedroom. So all the rooms are like this. Lobo apartment is the best place for you. A lot of people will say, look, yeah, we went to this particular apartment, toilets are not clean, but you see right here, you can eat in these toilets. Now we're done with first floor. You've seen the room, 2 bedrooms, nice facilities, kitchen and everything. So the same thing goes to beautiful, amazing rooms right here. All the rooms almost have the same facility and everything. So it's a 3-deck apartment, like I said. So we are at the 3rd floor, right? Don't go away. Come with me. Yes. I will show you right here. All right? We got a room that is free, and that's room 15. Wow. There's a mirror right here. And I love this. You see the decor, the same thing, the flower vase. Oh my God, I like this bigger one. Wow, beautiful. That's it. So you see the decor right there? Oh, beautiful artwork, right? The TV is right here. Wow, the couch. Yeah, very comfortable, right? And then you can use your little pillow right here, place your hand. So comfortable, so beautiful. Still, Vestel, AC, everything, the same facility. You see the balcony? Like I told you, every room have a balcony, and this one is 2nd floor. Right? Now you will see the 2nd floor balcony. You see? We are on top. Now you will feel the breeze of the air, so nice. You know, you don't have to worry about anything. I mean, the environment also, you can have a view of the environment, so beautiful. Live in Kerr setting in the Gambia. Woo! Here again, I'll show you the kitchen. Wow, so beautiful, very spacious. You can see the refrigerator is right there. We got the microwave here. You see the kettle, so beautiful. And we also got West beans right here, right? This is a West bean place. That is why everywhere is clean, so you don't have to mess up the place though, because it's so clean, right? And I love this thing. Look at how it is. Oh my God, it is so. Whoa. Once you put it on, little lights coming, you see? Woo! Beautiful decor. Let's see. Oh my God, yeah. See the light? This is heaven right here on earth. Yeah. Whoa. I love this. You can put your mugs here and your glasses, right? Well arranged. Woo! Anything that you need. Beautiful mug. It's so clean. Yeah, that's a Josel refrigerator. Brand new. Beautiful. So you can place your consumables right here, your juices, everything, fruits and everything. Alright? See, beautiful artwork. Wow, a lady right here standing tall. I love it. Nice decor. And I've observed something. Every house has its own color, right? You see the color right here is different from downstairs. So that is exactly that, what you would see right here. Beautiful painting, right? So the more you go up, the more you find it so special. So we got another bedroom here, 1st bedroom. Right? This is also double bedroom, proper. With its toilet, right? So we got 3 toilets here in all these rooms. One in the parlor, right, for the guests. This one, right, for the room occupants, so that you wouldn't share the same toilets with the guests, right? So there's a drawer right here in room 1, and you can see the bed, how it is, just like the first room. Everything is comfortable, and then you have your bed head right here in case you want to put on your wristbands, your jewelries and everything. That's it. Yeah, the drawer, right, with all the clock hands, right, that you can use. Wow, additional pillows, beautiful. Yes, here again we got the master bedroom, so beautiful. Yeah, with AC right there, very comfortable. I like this. See the clean towels that you can use. Right. Whoa, and the sponge is very, very, very spongy. I mean, this is cooling, right? Yeah, if you want to get massage, this will do it for you. And you got, the AC remote right here. This is how you place it. Beautiful. You see again? Wow, the beautiful master bedroom toilet. I like the gold tab right here. Look at it, the sink. I like the gold color. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And still now on our exclusive apartment tour, I will show you the lounge and restaurant, right? This is all inclusive. I mean, you can get everything from Logo Apartment. You don't need to go outside if you are here, right? Now, this is where this apartment is different with all other apartments in the Gambia, right? Because it has these facilities. This is the Lobo Restaurant and Lounge, right? Whoa, the Shisha Lounge is right here. VIP Shisha Lounge, we got it for you. Yes, right inside Lobo Apartment. So you see how beautiful this is, and then it's on top. So you would feel the breeze of the air, so natural. It's very cool right here, right? And then, whoa, look at the sets, so nice. And we got ashtray here, so you can smoke. This is the VIP smoking area, right? Beautiful lounge, and you can see the flower vase right here. Very nice, very beautiful, so natural, right? And we even got, yes, a West bin for you here. Everything is clean, everything. So follow me. I'll show you. Whoa, this is the Lobo restaurant, right? You can get everything right here. You see, oh my God, I love this. See the big screen? See the refrigerator, everything is beautiful. Oh my God, you see this outward? Whoa! You got everything here. Look at the scissor pipes right there, right? Hello, how are you doing? Right here, you see the VIP restaurant inside Lobo Apartment. So you don't need to go anywhere. If you are here as a guest, you can get your food from here, right? We got proper cuisine, international. Any food that you want to eat, you can get it right here. If you want local Gambian foods, right here. Any dish, you can get it here. So you don't have to go outside. We got refreshments for you right here. Yo, but this is another petition, another area different from here where, yeah, you can have your VIP treatment, right? And then the rooftop is up there, but then just to show you. Whoa, beautiful. Yeah, perfect VIP corner. Wow, this is the menu for you, right? Oh my God. Lobo restaurant where living meets flavor. Live here, eat here, love it. Like that. I will show you something. We are not done yet. This place has a rooftop. Whoa. Wow, this is how it is. The rooftop will lead you to this space. Look at how VIP this is. And then, you know, for those of you who want to organize your family parties, staff parties, any gathering, you can definitely hire this place, right? For you to have it. Look at how it is. Oh my God, look at it. From here you see the entire environment, right? Since the top view. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So you see. Whoa. Great tour. Oh my God. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is amazing. So heavenly, right? So this is why I said Lobo Apartment is a different reality, right?